Hi guys and welcome. So today I'm trying to make apple crumble. I've never made it before, but I make it today. So this is my dry stuff that I have: my flour, the butter, the whatever. This is gonna be the topping for the apple crumble. And then here, I've never made it before, as I said. Here I just have the apples cooking. Now it go down to a caramelized kind of thing, so it have let it cook a little bit more, maybe about 10 minutes, and then we'll see. I've never done it before, so this is the first portion. I should have video when I was doing the flour and the butter, the sugar, the vanilla, the cinnamon, but hey ho, you will see the rest of it. Apple crumbles. So I put the apples. I think the sauce looks so nice. And I have the crumble here. I'm gonna put the crumble over it. This is the first time I'm doing it. So we are gonna see how this come out. It's gonna go in the oven for about maybe half an hour. Recently, as opposed to when you start.